If you want to edit a slow motion video on the OnePlus 15, what you need to do is you need to go to the Photos app. Now there are of course two Photos apps, but I'm going to use this blue one as an example. Now in here we need to open the slow motion video, and next we're going to tap on this pen icon that we have at the bottom of the screen. After importing, you should be able to find the change speed option, so you can easily change the speed of the slow motion video. But also we can go to curve in order to apply an effect, like the speed can be adjusted with these different curves. Unfortunately, it seems that on this phone we cannot manually choose the area where the slow motion effect will be applied and where not. So unfortunately these options are limited, but this is what we can do for the slow motion video to adjust the slow motion effect. Of course, we have many different tools in addition to that, like for example, we can add a text over here. We should also be able to make some adjustments if needed. We have some filters and so on and so forth, so feel free to try them out as well. Tap on the save button in the upper right corner once you are done with your video. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.